This is question number 2. In question number 2, an algorithm is expressed as follows. Input 100 numbers, one at a time. Keep a total of all numbers input that have a value between 30 and 100 inclusive. Mean 30 and 70 should be included. And output this total after the last number has been input. Outline using stepwise refinement the 5 steps for this algorithm, which could be used to produce pseudocode. Do not use pseudocode statement in your answer. Step number 1 is, first of all, we will set total equal to 0. Mean total will get the value 0. Then after this, iterate the loop from 1 to 100 because we should get 100 inputs. After this, we can get the number, input the number into a variable n. Then check the number n is greater than 29 and less than 71. Then add this number into variable total. Then once loop will finish, then print the variable total. What the value is in what is the value in the total variable. I have designed a program to understand this algorithm, these previous questions. Now in this example, I am going to take 10 numbers, but in question it required 100 numbers, but I will show you by using 10 numbers only. Okay, I have written this program in Python. Suppose x equal to 1. The value of x is 1. Then total will get value 0 and I have displayed the value in total is 0. Then while x less than equal to 10, value of x is 1. 1 is less than equal to 10. Yes, this will be true. Then it will move to input, enter the number, and for example you are entering a number is 35. Then it will check the condition. 35 is greater than 29 and 35 is less than 71. Yes, both conditions are true, and because I have used AND operator, due to AND operator both condition will true, the result will be true. Then total equal to total plus n. The value of total is 0 plus n mean 35. It will become 35. Value of x will become 2. Now they will check 2 is less than equal to 10. Yes. Then it will move to next statement, that is n will get the value that will be 25. Now 25 is greater than 29 and 25 is less than 71. This condition will be false. In case of false, total will not be executed. This will be skipped and control move to the next statement, that is x equal to x plus 1. The value of x will become 3. Now it will check 3 is less than equal to 10. Yes, it will true. Then it will get the variable input into variable n. That is, suppose now you are entering 50. 50 is greater than 29 and less than 71. Yes, it will be true. And in case of true, 35 plus 50 total will give you 85. Now we'll move to the next statement, that is x equal to x plus 1. Value of x will become 4. Now it will check 4 is less than equal to 10. Yes, it will be true. Then it will get the next number. Now you are entering 80. In case of 80, it will be false. Then it will move to the next statement, that is x equal to x plus 1. And now value of x will become 5. 5 is less than equal to 10. Yes, it will true. And then it will move to the next variable. Next input in variable n, that is 10. 10 is greater than equal to 29 and 10 is less than 71. It will false, and in case of false, total statement will be skipped. It will not be executed. Then it will move to the next statement, that is x equal to x plus 1. Now value of x will become 6 and 6 is less than equal to 10. Yes, it will be true. And then it will move to the next input into variable n, that is 71. Now it will check 71 is false because 71 is not less than 71. That's why this condition will false. It will move to the next increment variable, where increment into variable x, that will become 7. 7 is less than or equal to 10. Yes. Then we are going to enter the value as an input, that is 29, and 29 greater than 29. No, that's why this condition will false. Then it will move to the next incremented value, that will become 8, and 8 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, it will be true. Next input value is 30. 30 is greater than 29 and 30 is less than 70. That will be true, and in case of true, it will be added into variable total. The previous value in total is 85. Now current value is 30. 85 plus 30, it will give you 115. Then it will move to the incremented value, that will become 9, and 9 less than or equal to 10. Yes, it will true. Next input value is 55, and this 55 is true. In case of true, it will be added 115 previous value plus current value is 555. It will give you 170. It will incremented in variable x. Now value of x will become 10. 10 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, it will true because it is 10 equal to 2. 10 equal to 10. Then it will be true, and next input value is 5. 5 is greater than 29 and 5 is less than 71. That is false. In case of false, total statement will be skipped, and next control will be transferred to the x equal to x plus 1. Now value of x will become 11. 11 is less than or equal to 10. This condition will false, and control will skip from the while loop and will move to the last statement, that is print total is total. Then total is, they will display as it is, and then they will display the value of total. The value of total is 170. This is the execution, this is the dry run of this program. Next, sequence is one programming construct. Identify two other programming constructs that will be required when the algorithm is converted into pseudocode. Number one is control loop or while loop, and second construct is if statement or selection statement.